Hi, this is Judge Herb Dodell. For the last number of weeks, we've been doing YouTubes on insurance issues. For more than 40 years, or at least 40 years, I specialized in property and insurance damage claims against insurance companies, both residential and commercial. And so my hope is to share with you a little of my knowledge and experience to make your life a little bit easier during difficult times. Maybe you didn't suffer a fire loss in the Camp Fire or the Woolsey Fire, but it could happen to you in the future, and it's always better to be forewarned and to be prepared if something should happen to you, which includes taking videos of all your property, making sure that that video is safe, or as my wife says, send it to the cloud so you have evidence. In contents claims, they're going to want to know everything that you have that you're claiming. They're going to want to see proof of everything. Now, what's very interesting is recently I heard that in connection with the Camp Fire, which is up in Northern California, that they believe it was caused by either the power company or the water company or one of those utilities. And so what does that mean? Does that mean you could sue them? The answer is yes, you could. If you didn't have insurance, that's probably your only remedy. But if you have insurance, what's going to happen is the insurance company is going to pay, maybe, and if they do, they have what's called the right of subrogation. Subrogation will allow them to go after the utility company to get back whatever it was that they paid in connection with the claims. There's going to be so many insurance companies involved. The whole city of Paradise was destroyed, so you can talk about all those homes. There are more than 400 here in Southern California, so you know there's going to be a lot of claims with regard to that fire damage. I heard the same thing, that the utility knew in advance or had some notice or knowledge of a particular problem, they didn't fix it. They're different, obviously, between Northern and Southern California, but the procedure is basically the same. So what about a class action? People want to know, what about a class action? Well, class action could be made by some of the policyholders, but why bother? Well, why don't you just settle for what you can do with the insurance company, as long as they're fair and reasonable with you? You don't need to participate. However, if the insurance companies band together, which I suspect they might do, they can file a class action on behalf of themselves and their policyholders. Their policyholders, some of them will be inadequately insured. In other words, there'll be a shortfall. So where do you go to get that back? Well, if it's not covered or you reached your limits, you can certainly go against those utilities yourself if the damages are great enough, or you could work out some kind of arrangement with the insurance company. They'll do that. Some of them will. But you need to read your policy, or better yet, you need to have somebody competent and capable of reading your policy like an insurance public adjuster to do that. I'm happy to give you guidelines. I won't read your policy or give you any legal advice, but I'll certainly tell you what you can expect and how things generally work and how policies generally provide to help you along the way. Now, if you want to contact me, I'll be happy to respond. I'll try to respond. No charge. I just want to put you in the right direction and perhaps make your life a little bit more comfortable than it may be right now.